Well, actually, Paul from Pivot Tray arrived at the depot and showed me this new bike grab. And we've been in situations where we go to smashes out in the back of Numinbah Valley and various other things, and the bike is very hard to load by yourself.
Since we've had this Pivot Tray motorbike grab, mate, it's cut out times in half. These things are fantastic. They don't need a second person to help us load motorbikes anymore. Not slipping over on the tray anymore. Mate, it's made life easier for all us drivers, and it's simple and easy. And you don't need a brain to use one of these things.
It's rack, puts it on the tray, and all happy days.
Hi, my name's Paul from Pivot Tray, and today I'm going to show you why our motorbike grabs are best on the market. I'm going to show you how to assemble it and use it correctly. It comes in 3 pieces. Okay, you get your main body, your front axle, and your pivot trap. It goes together very simply. We have locating pins here where the main body just sits into. And it clicks down like that. You lift up your front trap, bolt and split pin, this is what we call the pivot trap. Okay, it's very important to have it in the right hole associated with the motorbike's wheel size when you're loading the motorbike. Okay, I'm just going to run over some of the features with our Pivot Tray motorbike grab, and we have a 4-wheel locking system. Okay, so these wheels are free spinning, they have a lock on them, each one, and at the back our rear axis tie down points are also a lock too. We have our little ramp which is attached so you won't lose it. It's Australian made and it's built tough. You can load the heaviest motorbike on here, and unlike other motorbike grabs, you won't get a bend through the front chassis. Okay, if you're a tow truck driver, the motorbike grab is really easy to disassemble. Store it away in your toolbox very easily. That'll go in your toolbox nice and easy. If you'd like to buy a Pivot Tray motorbike grab, please call me or email me. Thank you.